want to show you that I did get to go to the thrift store. This is something you don't see every week, but we were in the area and we were going to be driving past it. So of course, we stopped in. Hello everyone, I am Homestead Tessie. What will you see in today's video? Well, on Thursdays is when I do any shopping that I have, and once in a while I stop at the thrift store. Now this is MCC, Mennonite Central Committee Thrift Store, and I have been doing this for many years. It's a chilly, cool morning, which is so unusual for this time of year, so I had to close my windows, which I do that by hand, and we are headed to the thrift store. Everything is so nice and green, and I like to show you the outside of my property as I work in my day-to-day life, and I like to show you everything about my life. And this is my home, and this is the sky, and it's so cloudy. So if you're on a bare budget, so bare bones budget, and you still want to have some fun, what do you buy? Well, for me, I'm very choosy what I buy at the thrift store, and I cannot wait to show you what I got. So what we're going to do is we're going to play a little game. A lot of you are new to my channel, and a lot of you know me very well. What would you pick up at the thrift store? Just virtually stand with me, shop with me, and tell me, did you see anything you would want? And could you figure out what I picked out? Let's see. The thrift store is a little further away. We have to get on the highway to get to it. That's why I don't go every week. Plus, it does help me save some money. I do want to point out that this thrift store run is sponsored by a viewer. So a viewer ordered a pack of seeds, which I have seeds for people, and she gave a little extra money, and she said she wanted it to be for my thrift store haul. I'm so excited. I can hardly wait. When I don't go every week, I anticipated even so much more. Look at all the beautiful old houses. We are so blessed to live in a beautiful town that has such beautiful houses. The cashiers call me an old soul, and all of them know that I have a YouTube channel, and they watch my videos. They're always excited to see what do I pick up that's going to go into my videos. I like different kinds of things, so I don't look for anything modern, and it's very interesting, all of the things that I can find. But yet I have to be really choosy because I don't want to spend more than I absolutely want to, because I only want to have treasured items that I'm really going to love. My home is filled with decorations of useful things, old-fashioned things, so I don't really decorate a whole lot for Christmas or all the other holidays. I'm not much of a knick-knack type of person other than old things, old books, old pieces of memorabilia, old kitchenwares, things like that. So for me, I don't really look a lot at the thrift store. I have certain areas where I like to look. Alright everyone, welcome back. Today I want to show you what I got at the thrift store. First of all, for $1.50, I got Enjoy Your Local Produce Year-Round. It is a canning book, but what I really liked about it was it had a lot of freezer recipes and also has recipes in the back for everyday food. So I thought for $1.50, this would be a great book for me. Orange marmalade, my favorite. So I paid $1.50 for this. Then I got something really weird. I shouldn't say weird. I got something strange. For $3, I got the burger grilling wood. So what you do is you put this on a charcoal or gas and you'll heat it up, and the wood has, let's see, it's smoked fire and flavor. It's Southwest burger, so it's seasoned with something. And you put the burger on it and you flip the burger, and this will help give your burger a different seasoning. Now, there's no smell to it. I was trying to smell it in the store, but it was $3 and I could use this wood over and over and over again, and it was something different and unique, and I thought it's something useful. A lot of things you see me buy are useful things, but not all, because I got something else. I did get for 50 cents the note sketchbook, and I love this because it has note lines on the bottom and blank on the top. I love it. So I can do some coloring and drawing, and I have every day I make to-do lists, and I love to journal and make these lists. And I just thought it was really neat for the top of it to have plain paper and the bottom the line. I have never seen that. Originally, it was bought at Ollie's for 85 cents, and I paid 50 cents for it. That's a useful item, isn't it? So far, I'm doing pretty good. I got the book, that's useful. Then for 50 cents, I got these, and this is Baker Creek seeds, which are $3, I think $3 to $4. But for 50 cents, I got these. It's too late in the season to plant them now for me, but I'm gonna put them in my stash of seeds for next year. So I'm hoping not to have to spend money on new seeds next year. I'm hoping that throughout the year, I can find things at the thrift store. And of course, a lot of you in Christmas cards give me seeds, which is so nice. You give me lots of vegetable seeds. So I did get this. Now I got one thing. And I can't wait to play it today. Ingrid Bergman. Very old, very vintage, records like brand new, and it is the Pied Piper. Now, I think this is based on a movie, The Pied Piper of Hamelin. I am pretty sure it is. And I did pay a little price for it. I paid $6. But I just thought it was so adorable, and I love records. I'm strange, odd, eccentric, but there's certain things that I just love, and I love records and different things. Listen, we all like different things. We all collect different things, and most people would be like, I would never spend $6 on this, but take a look at that artwork. So charming and so much fun. The Pied Piper of Hamelin, and I'm gonna look it up, by Robert Browning, adaptation Ida Best, musical accompaniment composed and directed by Victor Young. And I am sure this is a movie. And I'm gonna go inside the house right now and check it out and see if I can find the movie, Pied Piper. Well, there you go, everyone. Is my very cold, damp, wet, thrifty Thursday, and I can't wait to see you guys again tomorrow. Take care. Bye, everybody. Originally, the Pied Piper was a radio show. It was a radio play. So there are some movies out that were, one was from 1955, but the original one, the one that I had the record for, was actually aired on the radio. Now I'm going to go ahead and listen to my Pied Piper play, and I can't wait, you guys, for tomorrow tomorrow's video. See ya!